Let's thread the Baby Lock Celebrate Serger. First things first, open your front cover. Lift up your presser foot, push the machine lock button. Rotate your hand wheel towards you until the looper tubes move into their correct position. First, we're going to thread the lower looper. Place your thread on the far right spool pin. Slip your thread through the telescopic thread stand that is directly above that spool. Click the thread into the first thread guide, then bring the thread through the slot. Side note, by lifting your presser foot, you are opening those tension discs, allowing your thread to be properly placed. Now pull some extra thread. I like to pull it to my thigh. The manual says 18 inches. Make sure your lever is set to L. That's for lower looper. Using your handy dandy bent tweezers, my favorite part, push down on the looper threading lever. Whoosh! There it is. Move your looper thread selector to the U, which means upper looper. Let's repeat. Place your spool, thread through the thread guide. Click the thread into the thread guide, lay your thread in the path. Pull 18 inches, insert 1 inch of thread into the left port. Whoosh. Move the lock button release lever to the right. Rotate your hand wheel towards you until the green marks match up. Next, we're going to thread the right needle. Set your needle threader to R. Place your thread on the second from the left spool pin. Thread through the guide, click into the thread guide, lay your thread in the path. Thread the machine by following the thread guides. Using your needle threader, thread your needle. Last step, let's thread the left needle. Set the needle threader to L. Place your thread on the first spool pin, thread through the guide, click into the thread guide, lay your thread in the path. Once again, thread by following the thread guides. Using your needle threader, thread the left needle. All done. Save for future reference. Like and follow for more sewing tips.